Very good morning. Today we are discussing about the RC circuit. A resistor of 100 ohm is connected in series with a 50 microfarad capacitor to supply of 200 volt, 50 hertz. Find the impedance, current, power factor, voltage across the resistor and voltage across the capacitor. Given data, circuit RC series, resistance 100 ohm, capacitance 50 microfarad, 50 into 10 to the power minus 6. Supply voltage 200 volt, frequency 50 hertz. To find the impedance, current, power factor, potential difference across the resistance. Potential, next one, potential difference across the capacitance. Then solution, here R and C connected in series in AC circuit. When supply voltage 230 volt, 50 hertz AC supply, 100 ohm resistance, 50 microfarad capacitance. Here first we have to calculate the capacitive reactance. X is equal to 1 by 2 pi Fc. 1 by 2 pi F means frequency 50 into 10 to the power minus 6. Here the capacitive reactance X is equal to 63.66 ohm. Impedance Z is equal to root of R squared plus X squared. Z is equal to root of R means 100 squared plus capacitive reactance 63.6 volt squared. Here the impedance value 118.6 ohm. Current in AC circuit, current I is equal to 0 by Z. It is equal to 200 volt supply voltage divided by impedance value 118.6, and current I is equal to 1.69 amps. The next calculate the power factor. Cos pi is equal to R by Z. Here R means 100, Z means 118.6. Then it is equal to 0.843 lead. Lead means here the inductance, here the capacitance will be connected. That means current leading, voltage lagging. That's why we are mentioning here lead, power factor lead. And then next voltage across the coil. Resistance V is equal to I into R. Already we have to calculate the current value 1.69 into 100. It is equal to 169 volt. Voltage across the capacitor VC is equal to I into XC. Already calculate the capacitive reactance and then multiply the value. 107.6 volt. Answer, capacitive reactance X is equal to 63.66. Then second one, impedance is equal to 118.6. Current I is equal to 1.69, and power factor 0.843, and potential across and across the resistance 169 volt, and potential across the capacitance 107.6 volt. The next one problem. A circuit consists of a resistor in series with a capacitor takes 80 watts at a power factor 0.4 from a 100 volt 50 hertz supply. Find the resistance and capacitance. Take the current as 2 amps. Here given data, circuit R and C series, frequency 50 hertz, voltage 100 volt, current 2 amps, power 80 watts, then power factor 0.4. Then to find the resistance and capacitance. In AC circuit, power is equal to V into I cos pi. I is equal to 0 divided by E cos phi. That is equal to 2 amps. So 80 power divided by V means 100 into power factor 0.4. Here the calculation of I is equal to 2 amps. Also power loss means I squared into R. Here R is equal to 0 divided by I squared. Power means 80 divided by 2 squared is equal to 20 ohm. First we have to calculate the resistance value, and then impedance is equal to 0 divided by I, 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. Here Z is equal to root of R squared plus X squared. X is equal to root of Z squared minus R squared. Here already we find out the impedance and resistance value, and X is equal to 1 by 2 pi F C. C is equal to 2 pi F means frequency. X is equal to, that means capacitive reactance 45.83, and capacitance is equal to 69.45, and resistance value 20 ohm, and then capacitance value 69.45 microfarad. And the next one simple problem, a resistor of 10 ohm and a capacitance of 400 microfarad are connected in series to a 60 volt sinusoidally supply. If the current is 5 amps, find the frequency of the supply. Also determine the phase angle between current and the applied voltage and power factor of the circuit. First circuit R and C, and then R is equal to 10 ohm, then C is equal to 400 microfarad, 400 into 10 to the minus 6, then current I is equal to 5 amps, voltage 50 volt. Calculate the to find the phase angle and power factor. Here 10 ohm and 400 microfarad series is equal to 0 divided by I. Then V means supply voltage 60 divided by I means already current given in the data, I is equal to 5, then 12 ohm. Here is equal to root of R squared plus X squared. Now calculate the X is equal to root of Z squared minus R squared. Here that is equal to 12 square minus 10 square is equal to 6.3 ohm. X is equal to, that means capacity reactance, X is equal to 1 by 2 pi Fc, and then 1 by 2 pi 6.63 into 2 into pi into 400 into 10 to the power minus 6, that is equal to 60 hertz. Here power factor cos pi is equal to R by Z. R is equal to 10, Z is equal to 12, that means 0.833, and that means power factor leading the angle. Okay, and then phase angle theta is equal to cos inverse 0.833 is equal to 33.56, that means phase angle value. Then power factor 0.833 and phase angle 33.56. Thank you.